What's going on, you guys? Just got off of work on my beautiful morning walk. Y'all got to get y'all some of this nature. But I wanted to talk about 5 reasons why you're actually repelling money right now in 2026. And we just going to jump straight into it, all right? Guys, reason number 1, you're actually repelling money by not taking advantage of the opportunity to make money online. Last time I checked, when I take that stuff out the bank, it's green. We've got to get over the mindset that all because it's digital, all because it's digital currency, and that all because it's content creation or digital products or digital marketing, that is not real money. All right, that mindset is keeping a lot of folks stuck, and you're leaving a lot of money on the table. Now, stop confusing real money with reliable money. The online game is from month to month. It's crazy. Some days it's up, some days it's down. But I think people use that as an excuse to validate why they cannot make money online, all right? The digital world is here. And more so ever than in human history, everybody's online. So many people are online. And there's a bag waiting for you online, whether it's through content creation, whether it's through providing value, whether it's through tutorials, whether it's through anything of the nature. Let's stop repelling the opportunity that digital currency making provides. And I'm one of the type of guys too, guys. I work 2 jobs, as y'all know. Sometimes I do a double in the same day, and I still bring my butt out here and create content for you all, because it's all about running up the bag over here. It's all about getting as much money as possible for me, my family, my goals, and my future. So one thing that's actually repelling a lot of people that I've been seeing is you guys got to stop acting like this online money is not real, man. This is very real, and it's happening. You know, can't nobody tell me nothing. I'm gonna be showing up on my page, showing up, making digital products, doing whatever I got to do to run this bag up, because now more so than ever in 2026, we're all looking for a way to get ahead financially. We're all looking for a way to do better with our money, all right? So stop repelling the opportunities. Start being more open to doing something a little bit out of your comfort zone and different. Reason number 2, you're not automating your savings, man. Y'all are not being intentional with your savings. This is why you're at the end of the month, you don't know where all your money is going, because you're not automating it. One more time, one hack that I love to use to save money and be more acceptant to money is saving my money, paying myself first. Guys, if you automate, I don't know why I keep saying automatic. If you automate your savings, guys, this is one of the best hacks you could ever do for your life, because if you put in an amount that won't financially drain you, you won't even know that secretly you're paying yourself. On the back end of things, you are giving yourself your money first. Even if it's $10, $15, $20, you're paying yourself first. So get comfortable with automation and go set it up today if you have not, all right? This is gonna be one way that you can stop repelling the money that you're getting and actually see more from all of your hard work. Repellent number 3, you just can't stay out of debt. You guys love y'all some darn debt. I mean, you just want to put everything on the credit card. You don't ever want to use cash. You don't ever want to feel the real sting of what it means to spend your own currency. You guys just want to put everything on a credit card and live in debt. And that's the problem. You are repelling money because you cannot get over using someone else's money. You cannot get over using fake money. So in turn, you're repelling the real currency and the real money because you can't get over using fake money. All right, yes, this might be a little controversial, but I'm saying it. It's fake money. In the grand scheme of things, it's not yours, it's being loaned to you. So stop conforming to that mindset that this fake currency is a part of your real currency, and start making room for the real currency to have a benefit in your life, all right? So we got to get out of debt. We got to stay out of debt, and we got to change our relationship with debt. Speaking of relationship with debt, number 4, mindset. I think we're on number 4, right? Your mindset. Guys, your mindset is the key to changing all of this. I mean, your mindset is probably the most important thing here, because if you continue to say that you cannot win with money, then you will not win with money. Money is being printed every single day. Money is abundant every single day. Think about it like this. Somebody out here is winning with money today while you're complaining about it. Someone's going to win with money tomorrow while you're complaining about it today. And the way that I personally feel is that if someone else like me can win with money today, why can I also win with money? Why is it just this thing as to where, oh, money don't like me, money hate me? No, you got to change that mindset. You got to start thinking about money in a more positive manner, in a more affirmation manner, all right? And if you're struggling with this, there are so many financial books, self-help books. I believe in those type of books. You can't conform to everything they say, but they do wonders in changing your mindset so that you can be receptive to the different opportunities that may help you increase your earning potential and your positivity. People love positivity. Money loves positivity. People love being around abundantly filled people. So if you're walking around here depressed, talking about how much money you don't have, talking about what goals you can't achieve, who wants to be around that? Who will gravitate toward that? So start becoming the person that you want to become today. Stop waiting for someday and start being that person today. It's going to do wonders for your money. The $100,000 version of you already exists. All right. And I say $100,000 because I believe that that's a lot of money and it's achievable. It's 100% achievable. There are people who are making this type of money, and they're just like you and me. They're not celebrities. They're not athletes. They're doing what they got to do, and they're saving their money. They're investing their money, and they're getting there eventually. It's not that crazy of a goal. And lastly, this one y'all not gonna like. Your social group is repelling your money. You are who you hang around, and if you guys are hanging around folks who love to spend all kinds of money and waste all kind of money, spend money in a superficial way, then you're doing yourself a disservice. All right. If you love being around people who continuously only just want to spend, they only see money as a spending transaction. They only see money as something that they can get something out of rather than using it to build their future. Well, in this case, that is definitely holding you back. All right, that is 100% holding you back. You know, people don't understand that your peer pressure and your social group, that stuff is very real, man. If you hang around people who have a terrible relationship with money, then you're going to have a terrible relationship with money because you guys are going to see money the exact same way. You are who you hang around. All right. And this is one that I just thought of kind of on the fly here. This don't really fit into my principles, y'all. Your creativity. Because you're afraid to be creative. Listen, when I created this channel, something stuck with me. Somebody's going to resonate with what you're saying. Everybody might not, but somebody's going to click the like button. Somebody's going to love to hear what you have to say. And you guys got to start letting your creativity flourish because somebody might like it. And even if somebody doesn't like it, do it for yourself. Do it creatively for yourself. Some of the best money-making opportunities that ever came about came from people leaving their comfort zone, came from people doing something creative. All right. So give yourself a chance. I always tell you guys, bet on yourself a little bit. Stop telling yourself you can't do it just because you don't think that society will love it. Listen, there are people who love, I'm gonna get a little funny here. There are people who love trash rappers. There are people who love all types of rock and roll music. There are people who love all types of TV shows that we may not think are the most fond. Somebody might appreciate what you have to bring to the table. So you got to stop being so stuck in fear that you subtract and that you repel your money-making opportunities when it comes to your creativity. All right. So if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, hit the subscribe button for me or the like button for me. I know somebody's going to like it, like I just said. But yeah, man, I'm on my morning walk. I kind of wanted to do a video while I was a little bit active. I just got off of work and these were the things that were running around in my mind. I just wanted to get it on video format for you guys. Thank y'all for liking the video. Thank you for supporting the channel. Go on a morning walk too. It's very good for your mind. It's very good for your body, very good for your peace and your soul. I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.